calling all LEGO enthusiasts. Whether you're a seasoned builder or rediscovering the joy of LEGO as an adult, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're diving into the best LEGO sets for adults, from stunning architectural masterpieces to immersive builds that bring your favorite franchises to life. Get ready to unlock your creativity and discover sets that are as rewarding to build as they are to display. Let's get started. Number 1. The Millennium Falcon. The Millennium Falcon is easily one of the most iconic spaceships in the history of fiction. Indeed, it is quite possibly the most iconic. There have been various LEGO versions of it over the years, but this is the best we've seen yet, with a highly detailed interior and a decent selection of minifigures to accompany it. There are now multiple generations of adults who will have grown up with Star Wars, and although the Millennium Falcon itself only appears in the original and sequel trilogies, it is very widely adored among the fans. This is easily one of the best Star Wars LEGO sets, and something that will be of interest to even casual fans of the series. It's a bit of a repetitive build, and sadly, uses stickers rather than specially printed pieces, but once you've finished building it, you're left with a truly fantastic piece of work that makes for an excellent display piece. Number 2. Friends Central Perk. The Central Perk LEGO set is a treasure trove of references to one of the most iconic 90s sitcoms, Friends. Join Joey, Ross, Chandler, Rachel, Monica, and Phoebe in minifigure form. Oh, and Gunther too. Each character even has their unique accessories. For instance, Phoebe has her guitar, Ross a newspaper, and Joey a pizza. Joey doesn't share food. Not only does this set have a fabulous minifigure lineup, but the set itself effectively mirrors its on-screen counterpart. Central Perk has the iconic orange sofa and plenty of coffee cups, and considering it is a mini version, the layout is impeccable. You can even remove the area where the gang usually sits and a table at the back offering display options. This set is a must-have for all Friends fans for sure. Number 3. Wildflower Bouquet. I cannot believe how amazing the LEGO Wildflowers Bouquet is. It's simply irresistible. This set is a part of the LEGO Botanicals range for adults, and LEGO has certainly rose to the occasion. Okay, that is enough of the flower puns. This set is perfect for adults who want to add both color and a touch of sustainability to their home. Not only does this LEGO set last forever, unlike flowers which sadly decay, but elements of this set are made from plant-based plastic made using sustainably sourced sugarcane. The instruction booklet is also digital, which means we can save some trees. Number 4. The Office. Following on from the LEGO Friends kit, the officially licensed LEGO The Office set provides the central locale of a popular TV show and crams it with detail that make playful nods to the fictional world of its source material. There's something about this set that takes us way back to the early, primitive LEGO houses, and yet it's a very contemporary build and a delight to get familiar with. It's based on The Office US, something worth bearing in mind for devotees to the UK version. But if you have any love for the American show, this could be the one for you. Just like its inspiration, it thrives in making the mundane reality of an office something wonderful. Number 5. Great Pyramid of Giza. LEGO's architecture theme has long targeted adult builders, bringing a hugely rewarding combination of creative building techniques, eye-catching minimalist design, and conversation-starting display pieces. The recent LEGO Great Pyramid of Giza set offers one of the most ambitious, detailed LEGO architecture sets ever available. Looked at alone, it certainly presents a brilliant, stylish interpretation of perhaps the most famous pyramid there is. But lift off the outer shell, and you'll find a detailed interior with miniature versions of the building systems believed to be used to construct the looming structure. The real pyramid's core appeal, perhaps, comes down to two mysteries: what it contains and how it was built. This LEGO set excels in leaning into both those enchanting notions. Number 6. Optimus Prime. Let's get straight to it with this one. The LEGO Optimus Prime set, based on the most iconic of Transformers, actually transforms. So you get to build a Lego set and end up with a robot that can change into a truck. We can't quite work out if that means this is one toy or three, but it's certainly a remarkable set. Because this is a Lego kit that excels in both form and function. It transforms well, it looks great as a truck, and it's a striking take on Optimus Prime himself, managing to feel imposing and present. Mid-switch over, it can feel a little flimsy, and you'll need to add or remove a small number of bricks as well as twist and pivot parts, but it all locks together well. In robot mode, Optimus has a good deal of articulation, and the detail throughout it is sublime. Number 7. Succulents. Lego Succulents is our favorite of all the horticultural Lego sets released in recent years, which between them stand as some of the most distinct the Danish firm has ever put out. We've seen bouquets and wreaths and bonsai trees that all do a remarkable job of capturing organic forms from rigid plastic bricks. Almost every such set seems to proudly assert, yes, this is what is possible with Lego. Those sets can also be rather pricey, as are a number of other options on this list. But Lego's recent Succulents set brings something a little more affordable. It includes 9 plants, such as cacti, and can be built in different arrangements for different display cases. It even has something of a multiplayer mode, with 3 sets of instructions, letting you simultaneously work on different parts of the build with friends and family. Number 8. Ferrari Daytona. There are more mechanically elaborate Technic sets out there, but the LEGO Technic Ferrari Daytona does an amazing job of combining looks normally best achieved through the LEGO system with the function and complexity Technic serves up. It would almost be a spoiler to detail the build process too much, because Technic offers a voyage of discovery as you push parts together. But if you like the sound of constructing a V12 engine with moving pistons, it might be time to get technical. A very quick primer on the other LEGO system, Technic. Some of you mature adults reading may remember the older generation of Technic, which made heavy use of studded Lego bricks with holes along their sides. You still see a few of those bricks in modern sets, but around 2000, Technic went studless, introducing a whole new family of elements and building opportunities. It distanced Technic a little further from what is strictly called the LEGO system, which all the other sets here use, but also allowed LEGO designers and custom builders to create much more complex models with working gearboxes, authentic suspension geometry, and even Bluetooth motors to allow remote control.